beauty loves, I am back, and yes, y'all already know, girl, I don't even need to hear it. You know that I've been away for a hot minute, so I'm not even going to go into details. I'll do a get ready with me video that I'll talk you through it, okay? But I'm back. So if you're new to landing on this channel, my name is Lakita Willis, and I am the CEO and founder of Makei Beauty. And on this channel, I just go over beauty tips, skincare tips to help you show up bigger, braver, and bolder in life. Yes, baby, and in business. So I just wanted to start with the cute little soft little pink and gold beat. So this is what it is, honey. Yes, I am still doing my wing liner, so yes, I am. Okay, so if you like the way this makeup look turned out, just keep watching. Hey, let's go. Okay, so we're starting off with the eyebrows per usual, and I'm using the Ruby Kisses dark brown eyebrow pencil just to give my eyebrows a little definition and just carve out how I want my brows to look. And as I always say, what you do on one side, you better come on to the other side and do it. And always remember, your eyebrows are sisters and not twins. Okay, so now what you see me doing is going over my eyebrows with the Anastasia's brow pomade in the color chocolate. And I do this just to make my eyebrows look a little bit more darker for a little drama, honey. Love the drama on my face, not in my life, okay? So I'm going to carve out my eyebrows and clean them up just a little bit using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color medium beige. That's the color that's like close to my skin tone. It's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but yeah, baby, I'm cleaning these eyebrows up, honey. And this is my problem eyebrow. I don't know why she looks so good today, but she normally likes to grow bushy and just give me all kinds of problems. So I'm very proud of her today. So let's get on to this eyelid. So as I always use, I like to use MAC's Painterly Paint Pot as a eyeshadow base, and that just works perfect for me. You know, sometimes I use concealer, but for the most part, for the last couple of years, this is what I have been using, and it has been working out for me. So yeah, that's what I'm using. So I'm going to warm up my crease with a brown tan. Again, this is in my MAC's palette that I made at the store. Don't even know what the color is. Been using it for years, but it is any brown tan color in your crease to just warm up the look of your makeup look on your eyes would suffice. So just find a brown tan look, and this is a very light color. Natural tutorial, so we're not going to be doing a lot of the drama with this one. So now in my Juvia Sweet Pinks palette, you know, girl, she don't have nothing named in this palette, so I just be making up my own name. So I call that Rose, honey. That's Rose. So that's what we're putting in the crease, just to give it a little feminine touch, honey. And again, we're coming over to the other eye, and we're doing the same thing. And I'm so hungry, y'all. I'm so hungry. My stomach keep growling. I just thought I would share that with y'all. Now let's go over to the Anastasia's, the Jackie Aina palette. And the color is Solil. It's a very shimmery light gold, but that's what I'm putting on my eyelid. And I'm just packing that on very lightly, as they say, like so. So in the outer V, I am back in the Juvia Sweet Pinks palette. And again, I'm making up my own names, okay? I call this Deep Pink, okay? Deep Pink. And yes, ma'am, I am still doing my wing liner, so mind your business and just watch the video, okay? So we are using the LA Girl, I don't even know what the name, I think it's called Jet Setter. It's LA Girl's Jet Setter liquid eyeliner. And so that's what you see me doing here, is getting that wing together. And y'all, excuse the lighting in this video. I was competing with the sun coming through the window, so my next video will be better. But anyway, I was so pissed about it, but I'm no longer pissed, okay? I just thought I would share that. I thought that was very important for me to put out here for you to know. I don't know why. But yeah. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here, honey. Get that wing going. I don't know. You know, sometimes I don't do the wing, but I think I'm bringing it back because I just love the wing look. Do what you feel in life. You know what I'm saying? If you feel like it's working for you, it's working for you. Now let's mist this face. Let's get this skin hydrated. We are using the Makei Beauty Skin Love Serum Face Oil. So you can get that off of my website at www.makeibeauty.com. And it just gives a little glow to your skin. It's very, nutrient. We'll go over, I'll show you the making of that serum later on in another video and go over the benefits. And I always use a primer. This particular primer is the NYX Plump Right Back Primer. I like to have that base between the makeup and my skin because, baby, I love my skin and I love to let her know that she is loved. So I just don't want anything to touch her too much, okay? Now, with the NYX Color Corrector and the color orange, I am combating some of these bags, baby. And you can use that on any darkness or dark area on your face. Even if you want to try and cover your freckles, you can do that as well. So now the foundations that I am using is the Estee Lauder's Double Wear Foundation. The color I'm using is tawny. And then I'm using also Black Opal's liquid foundation, true color, which is called Truly Topaz. And I'm using two-tone because I have two tones on my face. So therefore, one tone does not work out for me. And I'm using a stippling brush that was purchased. I don't know what brush it is. My son actually got that for me. He got me some nice makeup brushes a couple of years ago. But because of life dramas and things like that and things going on in life, I haven't been like really doing makeup. So I'm back though. I'm back and I'm using the things that, my son got me, you know. So now that I have that packed all over my face, I'm going back in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color medium beige as a concealer. And this particular color, like I mentioned before, it is a little lighter than my skin tone. I don't like to go too light, especially when I'm going out on my daily, errands. I like to be as neutral and natural as possible. For my contoured areas, I am using Black Opal's foundation stick in the color Mocha Suede, just to contour my forehead and my cheek area. Let's spritz it again, honey. I like to keep everything hydrated on my face, especially as I'm blending, because I like everything to be blended seamlessly. I want my foundation not to look like foundation, but to look like my skin. And it's very important for your makeup to lay and look like your skin. You just have to have healthy skin. You don't have to have perfect skin, but you just have to have healthy skin. And it's easy to do. We make sometimes skincare regimens and routines so hard when Makei Beauty is all about making everything simple. The simplicity of life is where I thrive. But right now we're just using a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, and we're just blending this all in. Not wet, damp, okay? There's a difference. And what I am setting my under eye with is the black Opal setting powder in the color Neutral Light. I like to use a fluffy small brush because I have fine lines underneath my eyes. So I like to push the product in so that it doesn't have that crepe look. And then just with the flat powder puff, I use that same loose powder just to press it in to my foundation to set it. And in my waterline, what I'm using is Tyra Banks Kohl eyeliner pencil, and this one is called Meet the Parents. And so that's what you see me doing. I don't even think she has this beauty line anymore. I haven't researched it though, so don't hold me to don't get me out here lying. But if she does, more power to her. But I haven't ordered anything for years, since 2015. Now let's talk about this under eye powder that I'm using. Now this is in an old Milk Cosmetics palette. That color is called Fixated. You know those stackable ones, the magnetic ones that Milk has. That's what I was using. And then I'm just using a very, very light pink on my cheekbone area. Let's get into these lips real quick. So on the lips, we have Ruby. Well, right now I'm using, I think it's Ruby Kisses light brown pencil that I'm lining my lips with. And then I'm going to do an extra line with Ruby Kisses lip liner in the color Pinky Taffy. Okay. And then I'll finish it off with the NYX Butter Lipstick in the color Little Susie. The Makei eyelashes was put on girl off camera, but this is the finished look. And again, this is something very natural. It has a little femininity. I can't even say that word, femininity. Girl, how do you say the word? I can't talk today. Femininity. Okay. Anyway, it has that feminine look to it. Okay. And yeah. So guys, always to aspire to inspire someone every single day. I'm all about spreading light. Don't forget to leave a positive comment. Turn on your notifications so that you are notified every time that I drop a video. And yeah, subscribe to the channel if you feel the need to. Until next time, you guys have a blessed one. And I'll catch you on the next one. All right now. Bye.